I'm recording right now.
We did good, right?
Yes. That was more of a 20 IQ play. Wow. What a 1 IQ play.
Just continue 4 times.
Woo!
Yeah, then
You missed it. It was right behind you. You could have backed up and then hit it. That would literally change the future. Like seriously, if you leave one little thing out, that will literally change the future.
Nice, nice.
That was a big oof, Gansan. I mean, how could you get it though?
Keep shooting there.
Okay, I found it. Just have a shit in the middle.
It's already been 1 minute.
In the middle.
Okay. Good.
I'm getting every capture of you hitting the, what's the little thing called again? Net thing. Oof. Oh.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, you knocked it in there.
I made a mistake. Made a mistake.
Okay, last.
Boom.
Yeah.
Hey. Nice. I'm getting it.
Yeah, enough. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, this is great.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's getting faster for me.
Stop.